Okay, folks, it is 10:01, so let's get started. Today's date is December the 22nd, 2020. The time is 10:01 a.m. And this is a TABC public hearing on proposed rules. As usual, my name is Shana Horton. I am serving as the Commission's rules attorney. As usual, this meeting will take place in two parts. The first part will be an open forum for exchange between us. So if you have questions or comments that you want to discuss and get an answer to, I will attempt to answer those. The second part of the meeting will be the formal comment period. At that time, I will ask for anyone who wants to make a formal comment to state their name and who they represent and make their comment. And I will not respond to the comment at that time. Rather, that comment will be responded to as part of the written preamble should the rule go forward to adoption. So again, as always, please do state your name and who you represent before you speak. And at this time, I would like to open the discussion portion to either of the rule items that we have up today. If you have questions or comments on either 45-103 on premises promotions or the chapter 33 subchapter B, please raise your hand and I will unmute you and then you can make your comment or ask your question. I'm not seeing any hands at the moment. Any comments or questions for the informal comment period? Okay, well, it looks like there's no hands up, so we'll go ahead and move on to the formal comment period. As I said before, if you wish for your comment to be formally on the record, now it's the time to make it. I will first take formal public comments on item number 1, amendments to section 45-103. If you wish to make oral comments on the record, please raise your hand and we'll start you up. Okay. If anyone's having trouble with your Zoom meeting audio or anything like that, you can also type in the chat function. I am monitoring that. So if you're trying to raise your hand or trying to speak and having trouble, please type your message there. I want to make sure everybody gets an opportunity. Okay, I'm still seeing no hands, so let's go ahead and then move on to item number 2, which are the new subchapter B, chapter 33, subchapter B rules. These are mostly non-substantive and reorganizational. So if you have any formal comments, please raise your hand now and we will take those comments. And again, I'm not seeing any hands. So it looks like there are no formal oral comments today either on either item. Okay, well, thank you all for attending this brief meeting. As always, you're still welcome to provide written comments. I appreciate those very much. And my email is shana.horton@tabc.texas.gov if you wish to send them there. You can also send them to rules@tabc.texas.gov. And those will be considered formal comments, which will be responded to in writing. Okay, well, that's the sign of a successful rule project in my book. No comments, so we will go ahead and close this public hearing. It is 10:07 a.m. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day.